In next command line, you define how to combine the sampled values of parameters and create design points. The first one is mesh. In this pattern, every sampled value of a parameter is combined with every sampled value of every other parameter. Next one is tuple, that combine the parameters in tuple format. First with first, second with second. The next one is cross pattern. Use this pattern to create cross shape of sampled values of the parameters. You have to define reference value and define command line. For discrete domain, the number indicate the index of the list of values, start from 0. For THK1 reference is 3, means value number 4, which is 10. For THK2 reference is 3, in continuous domain, it means the exact value of 3. So the combining is done with the reference value of 10 for the first one and 3 for second one. These two combine with all values of other parameter. 10 is combined with all value of THK2 and 3 is combined with all value of THK1. Next command, generate all input files. The name of the template input file should be specified. Execute all input files. An example. Remember that shell plate with pressure load on top face. Now we want to extract first 5 of natural frequency. Design parameter is shell thickness, which is changed from 10 to 20. Define 4 values for parameter. We want to extract natural frequency, it is stored in history output, so we request history. We can find it in output identifier keys. It store in nodeband history. We want to gather eigenfrequencies. Print the results for THK. Result of mode 1 respect to thicknesses. As an option, you could specify mode number to see results. Default value is mode equals 1. We can ask to gather the results for other modes. And ask to print for all 5 modes in report command. We can ask to write the results to a file. We should use file token and specify a name to it.